Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website techdemand.com. I'm on a homepage and I really love that the header area is very minimal, but you've got also the top navigation here, very user friendly, which is great. I love that you've got a featured image, short tagline and call to action as well, linked to your collections. Would be great to tell your visitors what you're offering. Not come and explore my store. It's a little bit too generic, but instead of that, you can say shop iPhone accessories, which will help you convert visitors much better because they will be able to tell right away what you're offering. The logo looks very small, so I would work on the display of the logo because it's difficult to see. It's a great looking logo, but it's just difficult to see what it represents. Featured collection, I like that you're showing only 3 items per row, which is fantastic. I would make the title a little bit SEO friendly, such as tech accessories, latest technology accessories, something that aligns with your niche, but that contains your keyword as well. Fancy iPhone cover. So you've got tech demand. They look great. Maybe a little bit more specific, such as shop our iPhone rings or something like that, will be much more SEO friendly. Also add footer navigation because for some reason, if you've got it, it just doesn't display on my screen. Footer helps your user experience because they can browse your website much easier. The moment if I scroll to the top, I have to scroll all the way. If I scroll down, I have to scroll all the way to the top to view your products. Also make sure to add trust signals such as about us page, shipping policy, returns policy, because they also count towards your conversion rate. You've got only 8 products, which is a great start, but also make sure to keep adding more products. The more products you have, the bigger your chance of selling. For some reason, your website doesn't load very fast. Because you've got email address, would be great to hyperlink it as well. And make sure to use the contact page template in Shopify. So the message form will be displayed on this page. Will be much user friendly to have the message form people can use. I hope you liked this audit, and if you did, please click like underneath this video and please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email, and if you've got any questions, simply reply to the email or book a free chat on my website. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.